China's former imperial capital, Xi'an, was the eastern starting point of the ancient Silk Road. Now, today, it's also become a critical hub for the massive China-led Belt and Road Initiative, which aims to connect Asia, Europe, and Africa. As the multi-billion-dollar project marks the 10th anniversary this year, CNA's Minmin takes a closer look at its impact through cities like Xi'an.
This was the capital of 13 dynasties in Chinese history, and also the starting point of one of the world's most famous and oldest trade routes, the ancient Silk Road. But with the fall of the Tang dynasty, it entered a long period of decline, until recently, as it once again becomes an important crossroad on the trading routes from eastern China to Central Asia. Xi'an has been identified as a critical hub for the contemporary Belt and Road Initiative due to its strategic location in the heart of China and its historical significance. Snacks, edible oil, and honey from Central Asia. These are easily spotted in the supermarkets of Xi'an, thanks in part to the infrastructure network that facilitated trade with this region. Most of these goods come in via the Xi'an International Port, the largest inland port in the city. Each day, more than a dozen cross-border freight trains run between Xi'an and Central Asia and Europe. The first train service was launched here 10 years ago, and now it's expanded to 17 international lines, including regular destinations in 45 countries along the Belt and Road network. The freight train has cut traveling time to Europe by a month to just 10 days, compared to 45 to 55 days over land and by sea in the past.
2013年长安号首开的时候呢，主要以陕西本地的制砖机艺、石油机械设备以及塑料薄膜等本地产品为主。那么到今天呢，货源地呢应该是超过了23个省市地区。
IG Grain and Oil is one company that's been making use of the cross-border freight train service since 2015. They import grains and vegetable oil produced by farmers in Kazakhstan and plans to invest another $20 million this year to expand the range of goods traded with the country.
可以说，“一带一路”的倡议呢是利国利民利企的。那么我们带动了当地的种植，同时呢，我们也在当地呢也安置了他100多人的就业。 当然，随着这个企业规模的不断扩大，我们的这个安置的劳动力就业越来越多，带动了上下游的企业呢也越来越多。从哈萨克国家来讲呢，我们进口这个粮食可以给他们带来这种外汇的收入。
Beyond freight trains, today Xi'an also has direct flights to all 5 Central Asian countries. The improved connectivity has helped total imports and exports in Shanxi province, where Xi'an is located, to rise to about $70.4 billion in 2021. That's 5 times more than 2012.
市场的占有率得到了提升，同时呢，从国家层面上来讲，我们有更多的农产品补充到我们的国内，既保证了我们的数量的安全，也保证了质量的安全。
But more than just benefiting China alone, analysts say the Belt and Road Initiative has become a major force in global capacity building.
It has gone on to evolve into sophisticated infrastructure, which includes the digital Silk Road, the Arctic Silk Road. Polar Silk Road, in that sense, is rather sophisticated because you need special ships to travel through those regions. Digital Silk Road certainly would involve Industry 4.0 technologies. And then during the pandemic, it evolved into the Health Silk Road with the emphasis on vaccines and personal safety equipment.
Later this month, China will mark the 10th anniversary of the Belt and Road Initiative by hosting a forum in Beijing. Several foreign leaders are expected to attend, including Russian President Vladimir Putin and Serbian President Alexander Vučić. It will be the first major post-pandemic multilateral event China is hosting in relation to the Belt and Road. Beijing is expected to put forward its vision for the project for the next 5 to 10 years. Minmin, CNA, Xi'an.